Hello all. Welcome to another episode of Journey of Cotton. In this video, we are going to see how the cotton fiber gets processed into a yarn. If you would have missed to see the previous episode, which is cotton ginning, I will leave a link for you to see it. In the process of spinning, blowroom is the first stage where the cotton bales are opened, mixed and separated basis on quality of the raw cotton. The cotton will go into a series of machines after passing the metal detector, where the cotton will be loosened up and beaten towards metal roller sheets inside those machines, so that the debris and the other impurities will be separated from the raw cotton. This is one of the machine where the cotton fiber is passed through multiple stages. Then the cotton is passed through a machine which scans for foreign contamination and removes them from the fiber. Then the cotton is passed on to the next stage. After passing it through, it goes through a dust removing machine which helps to loosen up further dusts. This green color machine which you see is the older version of the blowroom process, which is still intact and in operation for certain hand-picked fine quality of cotton. Once the impurities are removed in the blowroom process through this machine, then a cotton lap is formed, which will be like this. Further, it will be labeled and sent out for the next process. Before even the blowroom process starts, the raw cotton fiber is tested for its quality, and based on the quality, the process route is altered accordingly to achieve the desired end product. The next stage in spinning process is carding. Carding is a mechanical process, thus distangles, cleans and intermixes fibers to produce a continuous cotton web, then to a sliver suitable for the next stage of processing. This is achieved by passing the fibers between differentially moving surfaces covered with a card cloth, a firm flexible material embedded with several metal pins. The cotton which comes out of a carding machine is referred as a cotton sliver, which is stored in these cans. For different stage of process, different color-coded cans are used to store the slivers. The next stage is a lap former. In lap former, slivers are fed to a former lap of 20 inches wide, condensed with a slight draft and weighing as per the set length. This is a single lap which is made out of 20 sliver cans. Then further, 6 more sliver laps are fed into a machine which then combines them into a single lap. The machine runs smoothly so as not to disturb the fibers which undergo combing at the comber machine. Next process in spinning is combing. Combing is a method for preparing the carded fiber for spinning. So what does happen in combing? Combing is a technique whereby fibers are passed through a series of straight metal teeth in order to lay the fibers parallel to one another and evening out to make it suitable for spinning. Then the fibers are placed in a long line which makes the combed sliver. This is the combed sliver, which is the outcome of 6 sliver laps. Then further 6 combed slivers are made into one single sliver, which is ready for the next process. So from the beginning, if you say carding happens, which converts into sliver, then more number of slivers are put into a sliver lap, then more number of sliver laps are combed, then converted into another sliver, where this sliver is put into drawing process. Then it goes for the next stage. The next stage is Simplex. The Simplex process minimizes the sliver weight to a suitable size of spinning into a yarn and inserting twist, which maintains the integrity of the draft strands, as it is impossible to feed the sliver directly to a ring frame for the spinning. Here you can see the sliver is fed into the drafting rollers, which gives variable pressure on the sliver, by which then the twist is introduced to the sliver and then winded into a bobbin, which then taken for spinning process. On random basis, the quality of yarn is put into various tests to ensure and maintain the quality. One such test is this, to check the yarn diameter for the uniformity. The next stage is ring frame spinning. This is the process where the cotton fiber takes the final yarn form. The roving yarn from Simplex bobbin is introduced to a certain amount of twist, which helps to hold the fibers together in the yarn process. The twist is inserted into the yarn by spindle rotating at very high speed, then by which you get the yarn. Autoconer. Yarn supply gets from a bobbin and yarn go to the cone by yarn stop motion guide and a yarn transversing guide, due to which the desired weight of continuous yarn length is delivered in a form of a cone. Smaller bobbins are taken and winded into a bigger cone. So this is the simple process of an autoconer. Then the cones are packed and ready to be dispatched. Hope you would have liked the video. Please subscribe for more. Thanks.